Professor Patrick Dakum attributed the current number of infected people as being ruled out by the Nigerian Center for Disease Control, NCDC, to the inability to begin massive testing of people. He advised the Presidential Task Force, PTF, on COVID-19 to immediately commence the training of health workers, especially at the grassroots level, on the sample testing and transportation of same to approved centers of results approval.
So Nigeria already knows what it takes. The penetration is the issue. We have stopped the border, so we close that. But for the community transmission, we have done a lockdown. We are now in a period where this lockdown is being relaxed because we still want people to maintain a physical distancing of 6 feet apart. We still want to ensure that they wash their hands with soap and water or use sanitizers. We still want to maintain the fact that large gatherings shouldn't be in one place. People shouldn't gather more than a particular number. So clearly we can see that what needs to be done is done.
According to the physician, lack of proper testing remains responsible for the low number of infected people. He said the nation was walking a tightrope between the economy and the challenge posed by the pandemic.
Yes, we do have testing centers and the number is on the rise. The problem now will be sample collection. And my advice is that every primary health care center should be a sample collection center. Meaning that there is no word that there is no primary health care center in Nigeria. In Plateau, there are so many primary health care centers. We must actively train the officers there and provide all that it takes to collect samples in those places.
Should non-compliance continue as being witnessed, Dakum advised the government to order another round of lockdown with stricter measures to ensure results.
Going to do, let me get ready. So if I were you, if you talk to your neighbor, obey this, if they don't obey it, by the time that you are you notice that people are just flouting it and the numbers are just rising, you better prepare for a long lockdown.
This is Rowland Longs.